Welcome! If you've ever been annoyed by those little red badges on the Snapchat app icons showing new stories in Discover, I'm here to help you turn them off quickly and easily. Follow these simple steps to stop those notifications from distracting you. First, start by opening the Settings app on your phone. This is where all the control over your app's notifications lives. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps and tap on it. Next, look through your installed apps until you find Snapchat. Then tap on it to access the app-specific settings. Inside Snapchat Settings, find and select Notifications. In the Notifications menu, you'll see an option called Notification Categories. Go ahead and tap on that. Under this, focus on the Public Content section, where you'll find Stories in Discover. Tap on Stories in Discover, and here you'll see the option labeled App Icon Badges. Simply toggle this switch off, and that's it. By turning off app icon badges for Stories in Discover, your Snapchat app icon will no longer show those small notification dots, helping you keep your home screen cleaner and your day less interrupted. Remember, this method lets you control notification badges specifically for Snapchat Stories in Discover without affecting other notifications you may still want to receive. If you ever want them back, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch on. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy a less cluttered Snapchat experience.